Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from HURL. Hindustan Urvarak and Rasayan Limited is a joint venture company incorporated by IOCL. Okay, NTPC, Coal India, Fertilizer Corporation of India Limited and Hindustan Fertilizer Corporation Limited means HFCL. So this is a joint venture of all these firms. So look at here, they are going to recruit for the graduate engineers trainee GETs and diploma engineers also trainee in HURL. Let's check it out how and what is the eligibility criteria. So first of all, here you can see the first vacancies for the chemical. Number of vacancies are 40 here. BTech in chemical engineering is required. Second one is here post is graduate engineer trainee only. This is for instrumentation. 15 vacancies are there. BTech in instrumentation. Who are eligible? Instrumentation and control, electronics and instrumentation, control, electronics and instrumentation. So they mention electronics and communication means these students are also eligible here. All right. So and the next is for the electrical. In this one, number of vacancies are 6 full-time BTech degree they required in the electrical engineering only. And in the mechanical, number of vacancies are 6 BTech in mechanical engineering required. So you can see this vacancies for the chemical, instrumentation, electrical and mechanical. Okay. Then they are going to recruit for the diploma students also. So I'm not covering the diploma. I'm only covering here the BTech. Okay. And here the essential qualification is BTech in the respective branch with minimum 60% marks. All right. So what is the selection process and everything? We will have a discussion here. So, okay. And minimum marks is, as I told you already here. Let's come to the next one here. So nature and period of engagement. The selected candidate be engaged on the trainees and they will have to undergo a minimum training for the period of 1 year. So minimum training they will have for 1 year. GTs upon successful completion of the training period. Okay, the candidate will be considered for the absorption as engineer or officer level at even in the executive cadre. Now, what is the stipend, pay and perks? They mention here for the GET stipend will be 40,000 plus HRA or accommodation in the training period, and pay scale will be 40,000 to 1,40,000 plus benefits. So CTC will be around 13.92 lakh including all the other benefits after training. Okay, for the GET graduate engineers training. So benefits, as I already told you here, then the service agreement will be there, medical fitness, posting can be any there. What is the criteria? So age limit, they mention here the age limit for the graduate engineer trainee minimum is 18, maximum is 30 year. If you are having BTech, maximum is 30 year for you. Selection procedure, they mention the selection procedure. Actually, they will have their own written test. So shortlisting and selection of candidate. So based on the CBT, first of all, you need to appear with the computer-based test. The qualified students, candidates based on the available vacancies will be called for the document verification in order of the merit. Okay, in case same marks are obtained by 2 or more, then the selection will be decided by the eldest among the tied candidates. Result declaration date of essential qualification like this one. The examination will be conducted through online mode at test center venue given in the admit card. Okay. So they are having their CBT online test only. This is clearly mentioned. Now the syllabus of CBT also they mention here the computer based test will have 2 parts for both GET and DET, discipline related and aptitude related. The medium of the test will be Hindi and English both. Duration of the test will be 2 hours, 120 minutes. The total number of question will be 150 or 1 mark of each. So we mentioned graduate engineer trainee 100 question from course curriculum means from your core, and the qualifying minimum education marks you will have here, and the 50 question from the general English, quantitative aptitude, reasoning. So you will have two things. First for your core subject and second for your the English. Okay, the general English, quantitative aptitude, reasoning 50 question. So 100 plus 50, 150 question will be there. So I think this is the major thing only how to apply. They mention the step-by-step procedure. Please check it out and you can go for the applying here, bacho. And The next thing is, I think, yeah, the last date. So date of application of online application, it is started from the today itself, means 1st October it's started. The last date will be 21st October. Before that you need to fill the form. Whatever the eligibility criteria they are having, the last means it will be applicable from the 30th September only. Okay. And I think they mentioned the application fee also. Yes, this is. So the candidates are required to pay non-refundable fee of rupees 750 in case of GETs. Okay, GT. So you need to, being an engineer, you need to pay here 750 rupees non-refundable for appearing in this one, and then you can appear. And the last date for appearing, last date for applying is the 21st October. When the exam will be there, it's not mentioned till now, but it will be updated very soon. Dear students, stay connected to I Must Get Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates related to the job PSUs.